Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Channel name is EthicalExplorers. Today, we are going to dive deep into an absolute game changer for web application security testing. We're talking about XSStrike, the advanced cross-site scripting detection suite. If you spend any time dealing with bug bounties, penetration testing, or simply securing your own web applications, you already know how prevalent and dangerous cross-site scripting, or XSS, vulnerabilities can be. But XSStrike is not just another standard, run-of-the-mill scanner. It is an incredibly sophisticated suite equipped with 4 handwritten parsers, an intelligent payload generator, a powerful fuzzing engine, and a blazingly fast crawler. So what makes it stand out from the crowd? Let us break down its main features. First and foremost, it offers both reflected and DOM-based XSS scanning. It doesn't just throw generic payloads at a target. Instead, it utilizes intelligent context analysis. This means it actually understands the structure of the web page and crafts payloads specifically designed to break out of the exact context they're injected into. Add in multi-threaded crawling, and you have a tool that maps out targets with incredible speed and efficiency. But that's not all. XSStrike also comes with built-in Web Application Firewall, or WAF detection and evasion capabilities. It will analyze the target, identify the firewall, and automatically attempt to bypass it. It also scans for outdated JavaScript libraries, provides full blind XSS support, and features complete HTTP support. All of this is powered by a highly researched workflow and a handmade HTML and JavaScript parser. The core is completely configurable, and you can even brute force payloads directly from a custom file if you need that extra level of manual control. Now that we know exactly what this suite can do, let's talk about getting it set up on your system. The installation process is actually very straightforward, and you can have it up and running in just a few moments. Open up your terminal. You'll need to clone the repository directly from GitHub. To do this, simply type git space clone space followed by the URL, which is https://github.com/s0m3y/xsstrike. Once the repository is fully cloned to your local machine, you need to navigate into that newly created directory. Type cd space XSStrike and press enter. Next, we need to install the required dependencies so the tool functions correctly. You'll use the Python package manager for this step. Type pip space install space -r space requirements.txt space --break system-packages. This command ensures all the necessary libraries are successfully installed in your environment. Finally, to launch the tool and begin using it, just type python space xsstrike.py. As soon as you hit enter on that final command, you'll be greeted by the XSStrike banner, and you're immediately ready to start scanning your targets. The true power of this advanced detection suite lies in its ease of use despite the complex technology running under the hood. You simply provide it with a target URL, and the intelligent payload generator goes to work. Because it uses a powerful fuzzing engine, instead of just relying on static lists, you'll find that it catches obscure vulnerabilities that other mainstream scanners often miss completely. It evaluates the server response, tweaks the payload dynamically, and tries again, perfectly mimicking the methodology of a highly skilled manual penetration tester. Keep in mind that as you use the multi-threaded crawler, you can adjust the configurable core to suit your specific testing needs. If you're dealing with a heavily fortified target, the WAF detection feature will quickly become your best friend, giving you vital insights into what defensive measures are in place before you launch an invasive strike. As always, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you only use XSStrike on systems and applications where you have explicit, documented permission to test. Unauthorized scanning is both illegal and unethical. This tool is designed to help secure the web and make applications safer for everyone. I highly recommend spending some time reading through the official documentation to truly master the advanced flags and scanning options available to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to engage with the video. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you all in the next one.